Allah. If I go around.
Sanchez.
Hello everyone.
Hey, so this is Catalyst and I am
Deborah.
Yes.
Deborah. Yeah.
Catalyst and I will be taking you around campus today through the poster presentation. The first event for the 2021 Rays of Hope
Health Week 2021.
Come along with us. Let's have some fun. We might be tired by the end of this, but please stick with us.
Stick with us. Stay tuned. Come on. Thank you.
Check the drip.
Now the death toll is on the rise. It's scary right now.
Hey everyone, thank you for coming along with us as we showed you our poster presentation today. We hope you had as much fun watching this video as we did making it, and we can't wait to see you next week.